Urban Toronto Pro is the most powerful business intelligence tool and database for the development industry in the Greater Toronto Area. Efficiently generate leads and gather real-time market insights on all GTA development projects, all while saving valuable time and resources. Urban Toronto Pro makes it easy to track projects as they move through each development phase, from proposed to complete, and see the latest updates on each one, all in real time, all within a few clicks. No more hours wasted searching through GTA development application pages. Here you can find all the information you need. Our database tracks over 60 different items per project, and each item can be easily searched across single or multiple projects. You're also able to follow projects to get notified when something new happens, and conveniently export auto-generated CSV files with all the information you need. Get a clear picture of what's happening in and around Toronto with a map view. Here you will be able to find all projects and their exact location. Whether you want to see the listed number of pre-construction or under-construction projects in an area, or go further and filter them by height, category, or ward, the map tool will help you find exactly what you're looking for. Use our pre-made maps to set the area you want to look up, or select a custom area using the draw tools. Need to get a quick look at the level of construction activity in an area? Just toggle on the heat map view. As you browse your search results, you will be able to see all relevant information and updates on every project, and open its page with just one click. And it doesn't end there. Every time you run a search on the map, you will have generated a list that can be exported to CSV format within seconds, so you can save time and simplify your reporting process. Just like the map view, the lists page will let you quickly and easily search all projects by any criteria. Urban Toronto Pro tracks over 60 different fields for each project. You will be able to generate detailed reports to get a clear overview of the information that's most relevant to your business and easily export them in CSV format. Get essential information on the companies involved in various projects, and easily track all new applications on the updates page, a great way to source new project leads. Learn more about the most powerful source of intelligence on Toronto's development industry. Book a call with one of our product specialists today.